everybody, this is hulabaloomii. This is the next science experiment slash lesson. I haven't done one in a while since my floating paperclip. So yeah, this is a really cool one. This does include the lesson. If you don't want the lesson, just stop after I give the solution for how to do this. Now, if you look at this, it's a pretty simple picture at first glance. You see an upside down glass. Oops. You see an upside down glass with a candle on top of a stand inside the glass, and everything is inside a bowl. But if you look at it closely, and I can't really show you the top of it, but there's actually no water inside this glass. All of this blue water is there's no water inside the bowl. All of this blue water is inside the glass. So before you go on in this video, I just want you to try for about 10 minutes. Try and get the same scenario. So you need to get a candle on top of a stand, unless you have a tall candle. That will work too. Get it inside an upside down glass. Stick everything inside a bowl and get all of the water inside the glass without getting this candle wet. So I'll let you stop right here. Okay, so that's it. I will show you the solution. It requires lighting the candle. So what you're going to do, it is like instantly resettable, which is awesome. You don't need to make anything. It uses just what you see here: water, a glass, a bowl, a tall candle, or a candle on a stand. I'm just using one of those little roll things. I forgot what they're called. Oh well. What you're going to do is you're going to light this candle. Yay, my lighter worked. So you're going to light that candle. You're just going to let it burn for a few seconds. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this glass and you're going to put it over top of the candle. Not quite on the water. Just let it sit there for a few seconds, and then you're going to put it so that it's sitting in the water. Now, instantly you should start to see this candle start to dim, and it'll grow duller, and it should go out just like that. And when it goes out, if you didn't see that, I'll do that again. Just try and watch all the water, okay? So you can see all of the water is in the bowl right now. You're going to light the candle. Watch the water when I put the glass on. Okay? Ready? Watch it. When it goes out, it's all going to whoosh, go up into the glass. And there it goes. So, lesson, here we go. If you don't want to listen to boring old me talk about sciencey stuff, you can stop this video right now. Unless you want to listen to sciencey stuff, which I think is just so cool. Half of you guys who are still in junior high like me are probably like, ooh, science, gross. But, not me, I love science. So, how does this work? Get started over here. So hopefully you guys all know that fire needs oxygen in order to burn, okay? And when it uses up that oxygen, all the oxygen is being sucked into the flame, okay? But when there's no more oxygen, then it has to grab more from the atmosphere. Now, what happens in this experiment is when the candle is burning inside the glass, and the water is sealing off the glass from the other oxygen in the atmosphere, is that candle will use up all of that oxygen. And oxygen does take up space. So what will happen is the water will press because it's trying to fight off, because the glass needs to fill up that extra space with something. Usually it'll fill it up with extra oxygen, which will help keep the candle burning. But since the candle ran out of oxygen in the glass, because it couldn't get any more from the atmosphere, it burnt out. So that's why it burnt out. But why the water came into the glass is because usually it'll use oxygen to bring it into the glass, which you won't see. But instead of the oxygen, the water sealed it off, making the water go into the glass. So it's basically like a last resort for trying to get oxygen into that glass. So really what you're seeing here is basically, the atmosphere and the steel, the candle burns out all of the oxygen, so this glass won't have oxygen to spare for the candle when it burns out, which is really cool because you're thinking, wow, this air has oxygen and this air doesn't have oxygen. So yeah, that's basically how it works. It's all just pressure, atmospheric pressure, that kind of stuff. It's how a barometer works actually. Um, except a barometer has to be super tall. So yeah, that's basically it. This is a really fun trick to do for science. I'm homeschooled, so I get to do a whole bunch of cool experiments like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please subscribe, rate, comment, watch some of my magic videos. I have some older NeoCube videos. You guys have a NeoCube slash the magnet slash Earth magnets slash desk dots, whatever you call them. So just check out the rest of my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye!